Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just about me laying my wig in my head. So I want to show you guys how I lay my wig in my head properly, proportionally. Let's just go right into what we're here for. My wig, and this is the wig. This is the wig we are going to be putting on together. And I really do love the color. It goes with my skin tone. This is how it looks inside, and this is how it looks outside. So we're gonna cut off the extra lace. I'm gonna do it like this so maybe you can see better, and use some concealer to highlight the parts in the front. So talking about this wig, it's Brazilian hair, 24 inches, and it's so soft. Like guys, it's really soft. So I'm gonna cut out this bit. I'm using the scissors. If you are a designer or if you make clothes, you should know the scissors. So it's just easy for me to use to cut it off. So we're gonna do this together. What you want to do is get a comb and just like brush back all the extra hair. The reason why I don't cut it when I have it on is because I feel like I'm gonna make like a terrible mistake. I could just overcut it. So it's better for me to just look at it while I cut it. So I'm just gonna cut it. This is how it looks. You can still see like the lines are still not properly outlined. We're gonna reopen the line and put some concealer in there. So that's what we're gonna do next. I already cut out the lace. This is how it looks. So here we are. This is our part. It's open. So now we're going to use the concealer to highlight it more. Well, before we do that, I'm going to be using this to just flatten it a bit. The hair stop lying everywhere. Then it looks more flatter. We are trying to get a natural looking wig here. That's to look all natural. That's the goal. So we're gonna have to flatten it as much as we can. Okay, I think we're good to go. I actually do like the way it turns out. This is not a hair review, this is just me showing you how I put on my wig. So you can actually clip it at the back just for it to be tighter if you want, but I don't want to have it too tight. I just want it to be free. It still stays perfectly because the hair suits my head perfectly. So there's nothing to worry about. You can fling it. I hope I was able to show you guys how you can lay your wig and make it look realistic. This is how realistic we made it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you should do subscribe to my channel. So guys, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I was able to share 1 or 2 tips on how you can lay down your wig as natural as this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you right in my next video. So bye. Thank you.